French chip dangle. I'm going to teach you how to make French toast sticks. First, you need a plate, but not plastic, or the plastic plate will melt. These over here, because I didn't need them. And I'll get a plate like this over here. Now, for French toast sticks, you obviously need a French sticks. Over here we got a batter. Do not stack them on top. Lay them by yourself. Lay them on the ground. Don't let them go on top of each other. So we're just putting the sticks. Now we put it back in the fridge. And we put it for about maybe 4 or 3 minutes. It's done. Well, I'll just put it for 3 minutes. But do not. Do it for 6 or 7. I mean 7 or 8, because sometimes it wasn't. Because when I did that, it turned out crispy and hard, or not soft. So we'll just wait for 3 minutes. Then we're going to see the results.